Hello and welcome to my video on the importance of analog stick form factor and how it affects your gaming. Tool sticks will allow you to increase your in-game sensitivity and slow down the response curve. Short sticks will do the opposite. Narrow shafts will allow you to open up your range of motion and increase the crossover between the left, right, forward, back axis. So for games that use throttle and steering on the same stick, like Battlefield 4, the F-35 jet in its hover mode, if you do a sharp turn, you're less likely to ditch out of the sky with a narrow stick. And you can also close that off with a wide shaft, so you can slow down your out of bounds. Control freaks laid the groundwork for the mechanical optimization of your response curve, and here's some blurb for it. Here's an old depiction of the sizes they had available. They've since changed that up a bit. And then people with the Xbox One Elite decided to put control freaks on the top of their extended sticks like idiots. Alphas are the shortest on the market at current, when I checked. Probably one of the most useful, 3.7 millimeters. The Omnis, they're also useful. They're a 4mm stick. The Vortex is a twin height set. The left one is concave apparently, but it's the only one I'd consider using as my right stick. It's 0.1mm taller than my tallest ever setup I've ever used, 5.6mm. The edge sticks, they look great, but again they're taller again, and I'd only ever consider using that left stick on my right stick at 5.96mm, because I like convex style sticks on the right, but again I can't use it, it's too tall. And then everything from this point onwards is just too tall in their set. They're redundant. You make everything too tall, you've got to put the in-game sensitivity up to maximum, and then your out of rotation speed is ridiculous. It's like spinning past everything, overshooting everything, you can't hit a barn door. And and you're mailing your thumb left to right across your pad at the same time, so your return to centre speed is slow. It's counterproductive when you get stupidly high like that. And I don't know why they incorporated 13.6mm sticks in Call of Duty. It must be because of the long range engagements they've opened out their maps. This is my experimentation work I did on DualShock 3 sticks in a DualShock 4. I laid the stems down to 8mm I believe there. Then I moved to steel sticks, custom made with I think they were Coke cans in there as the dust cups. I moved on to wine bottle caps that were coloured. This was beer bottle caps. I love a bit of beer bottle caps. They've got multiple patterns on them. And then I went to stainless steel because you just can't beat the lustre of stainless steel, and they ain't going to rust in the pad either. Found myself some zip cases, some boxes, and it all fits together like a dream. I just need funding and business sense. Battlefield 4 was my tallest ever set up at 5.5mm on the right stick. You can pause these and study them. Different shaft thicknesses, you name it, all the settings in there. The left stick, I like to use a nice wide thumb grip, so when you're pushing on your run stick you don't get thumb fatigue. Slight concave on the left and a slight convex on the right. Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remastered. The left stick just dips below the maximum of a stock stick and it starts to clash with your case. Ghost Recon Wildlands, I think, was one of the games where I couldn't decide between a 0.3 and a 0.2 washer, so I created a 0.05 transition washer. Same with Days Gone, I think that came into play there. Metro Redux, or Redux, whatever we call it, was the first game where I wanted shorter sticks because the in-game sensitivity would not allow me to get full control over it. I put it right up to maximum and it still felt sluggishly slow. So I abandoned all hope of creating a analog stick set up for that. Because you can't make your sticks any shorter than DualShock 4s because they will clash with the case. Unless they're stupidly thin on the edge. Rage 2 had the opposite problem. It launched without a dead zone setting for 4 months solid. And when it finally got it, I set it up as best I can and discovered that the response curve from the center point is set to aggressively no matter what you do with any of the settings. So toggle aim assist needs to be on to slow it down. Sticks like these look cool and all that, but that's all they are. These are the Steam Deck supposed analog sticks. Let's hope they've created some quality sticks in there. And the scalpers are already on there. There's some height variations and some depictions. All these use the same stick pin. This is an old Evil Sticks picture, and they seem to have increased their height ranges, and they've got concave and convex sticks available now. I couldn't tell you how they translate in sizes to a stock stick. I don't know where they've done their measurements from. And thanks for watching my video. I hope you found all this information useful. I just need to get some money together and get this product going, because it will rule the market. One stick to go in every single pad.